Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news. Today being Saturday, there are hardly any news, but there are four prominent news to be shared with all of you. News number one, ICICI Bank will announce quarterly results today. ICICI Bank is likely to announce its quarterly results today, likely to report good results. So far, its stock has appreciated by 8% in 2021 and 64% the last 1 year. News number two, this week's stock market update. Nifty fell by 276 points in this week to close at 14,617, that is minus 1.89%. Sensex fell by 954 points and closed at 47,878, that is minus 1.95%. Now coming to Nifty level, previous close last week 14,617, opened at 14,307, high 14,526. This week's lowest 14,151 and closing at 14,341. News number three, SBI cuts GDP estimate for 2021-22. Earlier, SBI had estimated India's GDP to grow by 11% in 2021-22. However, now, due to partial lockdowns in many states, it expects GDP to grow by 10.4% only. This estimate is subject to further restriction based on impact on COVID on the economy. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan are the three states which will have maximum impact on their GDP. The last news of today is health and fire insurance segments helped general insurance companies grow in 2020-21. Even though 2021 was a difficult year for most businesses, general insurance companies such as SBI General Insurance, Reliance General Insurance managed to grow due to higher growth policies in health and fire segments. Health insurance segment grew by 13.5% in 2020-21 and fire insurance grew by 27%. Motor insurance fell by 2%. This was the breaking news for today. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon. Video is good, press the like button. And the content is good, please type good in the comment section. Send this video to all your friends so that they too will have some good idea about the financial matters of the country. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.